Hello guys, welcome back to our vlog. I am Ara. And I am Yip and we are the co-sisters for today's vlog. Ayan, samahan niyo naman kami sa amin another day in another mini vlog. Today pala ay first day of school namin ngayon. And yes, back to school na naman tayo ate. And we are so excited pala guys. After 2 months ng vacation, mamimit ko na yung mga classmate ko. This time pala ay maaga kami gumising nila ate para mag-arrange ng things and we help our mommy to fold the bed. And after naman finish mag-shower at bihis, we already eat ng breakfast namin. Ito pala yung ulam namin, fried egg at spam. And syempre, outfit check kami at nagsayaw. Yung totoo ming excited yarn, di pa tapos si mami mag-arrange ng gamit natin. At paalis na kami nila mami dahil walking distance lang yung bahay namin from school. Nilakad na lang namin. Look guys, si mami nahirapan sa dala niya. Ang bigat kasi ng mga books namin. Fighting mami, salamat po. And we are already here at school na pala and Yumi saw her friend si Sabrina at naghug pala sila. Yumi and Sabrina is same first grade but different section. At dahil too early pa, we take a picture in front of our school. Ang bongga ng school kasi may pa-welcome para sa mga students. At hinatid na kami ni mami sa mga rooms namin. Yumi is staying in first floor at ako naman sa second floor kasi grade 3 na ako. Yung room ko pala ay harap mismo ng hagdanan. And we are so excited to meet our new classmate, also Yumi. Good luck sa atin Yumi at sa ibang students and hi po sa mga new teachers namin. Mami ko Korean food and samgyeopsal at hindi mawawala yung Philippine food ay munggos. At mapapadami na naman yung kain namin neto. Ang sarap! Kain tayo guys! After dinner, we went to our room and nagkwentuhan pala kami nila Mami and Yumi. Sabi ni Mami, how is our school? Me and Yumi is laughing at nagkulitan. Ito pala yung bonding namin. Our parents make us time for us. Tawanan, kwentuhan. Maora, salamat sa pagtanaw. Sa hindi pa po nakapag-follow, please follow the co-sister po. That's all guys. Thank you for watching. See you in our next vlog. Bye!